On the following video, we're going to learn how to do a digital advertising or a banner for internet. Now, we have like these common sizes that are used on the web. Some of them are used even in your mobile device. We are going to do an ad for Fiat. So we're going to select this one, the medium rectangle. This is like the most common used. Usually it's like the 30% most likely to be used in the future. How can we do this? Let's go to our in-class activities in our webpage. Remember, intravisual.weebly.com. Then you have to come here where it says in-class activity, and let's go to the bottom. You're going to select the first exercise. We're going to do an advertising for Fiat, okay? So we're going to click the logo. You're going to wait for it. Here you're going to have it. As you can see, it has a really big size. You're going to select where it says download. You're going to wait for it. You're going to find out that you have this window. Be patient. You're going to save it. Once you have it like this, let's go back and we're going to download the car. You're going to select download. You're going to wait for the pop-up window, and there you have it. Now let's go to Photoshop. Remember that the size was 300 by 250. So let's go to File, New. We're going to have these options. Remember that at the top menu we have like the definition of some artboards and some sizes. Now, if you select web or mobile, the size that you're going to have or the presets are going to be related to the equipment, okay? So as you can see, it says iPad mini, even it says the Mac icon and so on. And if we select web, it's going to be more the screen size. So what are we going to do? We're going to come here to the right. We're going to write down 300 pixels because pixels is the number, the unit used in the web. We're going to write down 250. Resolution, please, 72, because everything that you upload to the internet is in 72 dots per inch. We're going to select pixels per inch. RGB color, because you're going to do it and share it on the web. And the background contents, it depends on you. If you want white or if you want transparent, it's up to you. I'm going to use white, okay? Once I have it like this, I'm going to put create. Now the size, as you can see, is really small. We're going to the option File. Then we're going to select where it says Place Embedded. You're going to look up for the car. I'm going to select it right now. And you're going to place it. Once you have it like this, please press Enter in your keyboard. Remember that with the Move tool, you can move it to the top. Okay? Now, we're going to import or place the logo. Here I have it. And I'm going to change the size. I'm going to make it smaller. There is no need to press Shift. Remember, that is different from Illustrator. Once I have it like this, I'm going to press it here. And probably I'm going to move this a little bit to the top because I want to have more space. Remember that this is an exercise on how you can create files for the different media, okay? And I'm going to write down a copy. A copy is the text that usually accompanies an advertising. So, okay, I'm going to write down Ciao Bella. I'm going to place it here, and that's it. In my layer window, I'm going to have 3 layers. I'm going to have one that belongs to the text, one that belongs to the logo, another one that belongs to the car. If I want to continue working on this, remember that I have layers, so I have to save it as a PSD. So I'm going to the top, File, Save. I'm going to write down Fiat Brenda. And I'm going to select the format Photoshop because I want to keep the layers. You see that it has the layers. So I'm going to keep it like this. I'm going to be sure to have this one checked and OK. If I am ready and I know that the client already likes it like this, for example, I'm going to place it here. And I am happy with the design, everyone is happy, and I'm going to finish it. Remember to go to the top menu, Layer, Flatten Image. This is going to make all the layers in just one layer. And now I can save it in two formats. I'm going to save it the first one, File, Save As. I'm going to select this one, JPG. I'm going to be sure to be between 8 and 12. Baseline standard, okay. And the other format, File, Save As, GIF, as I am going to save it on the web, okay? If I save it as GIF, please select 256 colors, force it to black and white, and then click where it says OK. All the numbers and the details that I'm giving to you is because this is like the common use that we have when we're sharing something on the web. And voila, here you have one design. In my particular style, I believe that this is like too much information to the right, but this is how you can prepare the file. And of course, creativity is really important. We're going to continue with another exercise. See you in the following video.